Atwa ku Fik Media ndine Haffy Powers atuli wano ku Maria Flow mu kivulu kya King Saha ebiseera concert era nga y'omu ku babadde ba MC olunaku luno olwaleero. Haffy Powers straight from BBS Telephone ogambo tafu.
Ndi bulungi ogambo kya mukwano.
Abalabi bambulizeeko.
Muli mutya bannange mwebale kulaba mwebale kubayo mwebale tuwagira mwebale kuwagala buli muntu ali mu industry. Thank you so much, we appreciate that.
Obeererawo nnyo abayimbi mu bivulu byabwe. Oyina passion yakyo oba bakupangisa obere MC?
Ebya MC surprisingly mbiyiga wiz. I'm just a new child in a MC industry, but ng'omuntu eyasoma amawulire bino ebintu olina okubiyiga. Mu mirimu gyaffe you have to be versatile. You have to literally do everything. Then when it comes to bayimbi, I've literally worked with bayimbi. When I was at campus, I was working at Amnesia as a PR. So abayimbi nabalaba mbamanyi like one-on-one. So engaging with them, understanding their life, understanding what they want, everything chebakola obulamu bwe babutambuza mbumanyi. So it is very easy for me to blend with them. Basically, you can't separate TV, na bayimbi, na radio. That is media. Yonna ngayo, bote wetambula. So abayimbi mbategeera.
Well, abadde batamanyi Haffy Powers nga bamulabye leero. Babulire show z'okola bongere okugoberera.
My name is Haffy Powers. Real name's Nabanja Hasfa. Nkola ku BBS Telephone as a presenter, nkola program agita Sumulula, mberako ne Seimo Kawalata, nekola ne program agita Kasukali, mberako ne Namatanzi, Dana Namatanzi, ne Hasfa Karungi. Ebeera ya buli lwakubiri sawa 5 ez'ekiro. Basically, that is all about me, but I've been in media. I've worked on Galaxy FM before. That is my baby media house. Jena sokera dala nga chali ku campus. Then nekola ne Radio 4 eyabala. Basically, went entambudde.
So right now tochakola ku radio?
Yes, I'm only on TV per now, but my dream is to get back on radio. You know, on radio, don't age. Yeah, with TV or cooler. And people, we've seen like beautiful faces on TV, and we always outgrow TV. It's very hard to outgrow radio. You can outgrow radio when it's young. But with TV, or you outgrow. Ebya gambo kyabina, but you've aged abantu bakulabya abantu bayinza kulabira bbanga ddene naye radio one time anytime I'm bouncing back on radio. That is where my passion, by that my passion is not on TV. I could be doing TV very well, but my passion is on radio. So in time I'm bouncing back on radio.
Okay, so bw'obadde ku stage obuuziza bannamasaka omusajja gwe baakuwa lwasemba okuwulira. Talk to us about that.
Actually, I was on leave. When I ku leave, I make sure nzijjako essimu mbasagala kintu kyonna kukolagana na mulimu. So when I came back, I was not in the country. When I came back, ne bandaga nga nina messages nga bandaga mu interview Kasuku gye yakola ne Lwasa. And Rosa was like, he wanted my number, he wants me and all that. So, about the vibe, just because Masaka people know, and as you know, not favorite presenters, this is art, we are in an art industry. But in your stage, at sometimes, because you're not a singer, abantu bayinza okulaga nti tebakumanyi. Nawe mbagambye mwamba omusajja ki. They all screamed Lwasa. That meant they knew me and they follow what is going on in the news and everything. That was beautiful. It was just a vibe. That is it. No big deal. Rasa, I respect you. I love you so much, man.
Mushoye yennyini eya Saimo Kawalata gokola naye yakubuuza ne weewakana Lwasa nti tomumanyi ate oluvannyuma nnyo n'okkiriza nti omumanyi.
Anti mumanyi namutegera after that show. So I didn't know him before. So nemumanya netegera is a Masaka tycoon. Musajja alina majage, musajja alabika bulungi, he's a family man and all that. That is it. No big deal.
Bw'ayiwawo omubiri n'amagya Of course, abachala n'amagya temwawukana. Can you love him?
No. I'm in a relationship. I respect my side, and I should respect it. Because we are women. That is it. You can't stop them. But yeah, that is okay. But me, I have to respect myself that I'm in a relationship that I want the relationship to work out. So, sisobola kukkiriza any intruder, yeah.
Njagala Garchild. Akola ku TV right now. Oba yandyegombye okola ku TV. Maybe akyasoma mawulire. Omuwa obubaka ku butya industry bwefaanana na ayinza kwekwata atya okubanga abeera relevant okumala ebbanga eriwerako.
Okay, now, like any other business, quote me right, like any other business, ebibatu. Pako tolizaala kalema is so everywhere. Oyina okumanya kiki oyagala. Luckily enough, as working at Amnesia, I first went as a waitress, just know. Then I upgraded to PR. Bosi wange nanyini wa Amnesia nakola Galaxy, and then nemugamba I can work on radio. Nangamba I didn't start the media because then I didn't soma busawo. I'm a nurse by profession. Nangamba there was number opportunity. I was audible, I could do whatever I could. But then nangamba gendo soma mawulire. Then I nefuna diploma mu mawulire. So he gave me that opportunity. Everything bobo yagala emirembe. Let it be on merit. Bajja kusaba ojja kuba wahani ngabo wajja bojja okugenda. But if you go there, si byangu. But abalenzi bo bagendayo batya because abalenzi tebabasabiriza. Okay, a few ne number yabwe eri ntono. On percentage like 0.1. Fe tuli like on 99. Emirimu tuli olwa bibatu. Togenda ku bibatu. With bibatu, you can't say your boss, you can't tell your boss nyongeza omusala. Bo fucking up. Sorry. Bokola bubi omulimu. Ajja kugamba ekyo get out aba yakumala dda. Some of you babebaseeko n'emirimu tebagibawadde. So honey, go on merit. Webakusabira totawaana. That is not like don't because that is not credible. That is not on merit and your job will not last. Genda ng'omanyi empapula zo zikututte. Your good work has taken you. Your talent has taken you. Then you will go further. Basically that.
Edduuka ly'otera okwogerako litunda ki?
Okay, yeah. Nali. Edduuka lyange likola I'm actually a makeup artist. I can do makeup, like beautiful makeup. But omulimu gwali tegunganya nnyo. Abantu bakwagala to travel, like over the weekends otambula naye nga tosobola. So nembi closing and nga ntunda n'engoye n'engatto nembigalawo. But now I have a liquor store. Yeah. Liquor, yeah. Abamba jagamba because ni musiramu but tunoonya sente at the end of the day. Mulimu abakolamu, but I have a liquor store. Esangibwa Bunga ku Zebra in Kampala, basically that.
So besides that, waliwo business endala munnayuganda akuwagire? So kola outside TV.
Okay, I'm trying. I'm not gonna stand here and say I'm a professional MC. I'm not. Some people have pushed me a lot. My producer Kwef Lokta has told me you have the talent, you can do this. Most especially by MC abawala abachala abakola mu Luganda. So it's pushing me a lot to do that. Nze gwamulaba nina ensonyi nnyingi nnyo olwakuba kamera nagimanyira abantu bazibu okumanyira. I'm trying to understand that so that I can go and MC weddings, parties, events. Yeah, I'm just learning that. Chobolanga nkoze leero ku kivulo kya King Saha. I'm trying to build that so that I can MC, have my TV career. I'm about to fade out. Abana bangi balina okujja. More beautiful girls. We are growing old, yeah? So when I fade out on TV, I'm looking for a radio because this is passion, this is career. I started this. And then I do my MC career and then my liquor store basically. Sagala nnyo bingi, saakwetekako bingi.
Abantu baagala nnyo analysis yo n'obunyomero obwo obw'enjawulo mukama mu programu ya Sumulula ate ne Kasukaali era abantu baagala nnyo ebirowoozo byammwe kale okutwaliza awamu. Oyinza ba appreciate ng'otya muzimbye families nnyingi nnyo mu Kasukaali.
Be real. I always give examples. I'm a person just like any of you out there. Abasajja batulimba ne batwebakako ne batuzanyazaala byonna ne babikola. I rarely, because I will give my examples, I give examples around me. Because ekyentuukako kyekituuka ku Rashida, kyekituuka ku Rita, kyekituuka ku buli muwala out there. Ensi eno y'emu. I don't have to read books. Okay, I read. You can't work in media nga tosoma. I really read a lot. But also, life examples, being who you are, being real is okay. People feel comfortable for who you are. And that is me. Me, I never look in cameras and lie. Hafi gogendo sanga wabweru. Ekikyuka ndowooza ye nnyambala. Kubanga we nabeera wabweru, I'll be like comfortable, I'll put off the makeup, ebisigadde bya camera, but it will be me. So, my content, I'm gonna read. Reading is a priority. You have to read to speak sense. But again, you have to be you. Most especially, don't fake it. Yeah, that is it.
What's your best color and best dish?
Oh, best color could be black, because black, when as you see me right now, I'm putting on black. My best dish, I don't know, you guys, as you grow something, I realize we eat to survive. As an adult, I don't have a best dish. You can go a day without eating. Now of us, we have like busy schedules. But to think so much, it could be matoke and binyebwa. Not take a test into mulubuto, but not because you really like it. But I don't have a best dish. I eat to survive.
Watch abachala abali mu limelight. Temwogera myaka gyammwe na status yammwe ya bufumbo.
With age, kiri mu nekyafa abachala. Who wants to know that I'm years old? No! Achitatana ekintu kyaffe ekyobukyala. Toyogera myaka. Mukyala toyogera myaka. And then status y'obufumbo. Sintino tetwagala, because when I say I'm in a relationship, abantu batontinga nnyo, and you don't want your partner to be involved in your lifestyle. Abantu bava kukuhatinga you, and then they will hurt someone next to you. This person is not in my business. That's why we want to protect them. Basically that, to me. Abambali okay, we've seen people who front their lovers, me I will not. I want to protect him as much as I can. Olaba banvuma bitankwatako, leba bimanya nti binkwatako.
Njagala ompeereyo obubaka right now kubawummuze. Tulina abavakisi n'abaana abalala abawummudde. Saba obampeereyo message mu luwummula luno oluwanvu.
Me, I nakulire want to live very grounded. Actually, I grew up with a single mother. Naye oli omukazi. I believe I am what I am because of her. She tried her best. I grew up in Machinde. Whoever knows Machinde. In Kere Zone, Katwe, Nabisalu. It's a wild area. Naye ekintu kye nawulirako mama wange agamba, saagala mwana wange akulire wano. I'm the biggest girl. I have a big brother than me. We are 4. Tayagala mwana wa akulire wano because the environment is so wild. Tewandyagadde gikuliza mwana wo. Most especially ng'olina kyoyagala. So, eri omwana, when you have a chance, for we fought for this. Omwana yayimba twakulira ku ngolo nampi. That is true, man. For those who have a chance, you go to good schools, you have all the meals you want, mwine nyumba, mwine chikomera, bino twakula tubyegoma. Fe twageranga Machinde mu kizungu ne tulingiza bikomera by'abagagga. People crave for that. If you have that chance, use it. Then, banakuba nange, mweba sweet. Bwoba olina kuyirawo omubiri oba muzaddewo, kola kyotekedde okola. Obulamu tebuwa second chance, never. Never, honey. When you have a chance, prioritize it. Use it. Go to school. Read, study. Omanyo what is funny with life? But tutukeno mu bulamu outside life, bubeera ku level yemu. Febe mulaba tutula n'abaana b'abagagga and we ball. Ne twogera nabo, ne tunyumya nabo, n'alyoka akunyumiza gye yasomera. N'alyoka akunyumiza obulamu bwe yakuliramu, naye kati ng'obulamu buli iko. because ebintu bikyuka. So honey, bw'obanga oli mu holiday ng'okyasoma nga buli kimu nga obulamu bukyakola sense mulimu akwegoma. Let me tell you funny thing n'okusoma. Abantu bagamba waliyo kye bayita luck in life. You don't know how many lucky people eyeebuuza eyeegamba saying I wish I went to school nga sente zazisinga zonna zigenda kumutegeerera naye singa yali asobola okwetegerera. Empapula tezirimba. Go to school. Don't with phases z'obulamu tebaziskipinga. Bw'oba agendako mu P3 or P4 bw'esoma cycle of life, you do not. Your life gy'obuuso it will always haunt you. So obulamu butwale at a phase. Bujja kunyumira nnyo. Ffe tuli ano twejjusa okukula. Responsibilities, bills. Tuli kati kiro tulina kuba nga twebase but we are here working, we want money. So obulamu butwale mpola mpola. Buli kimu kyoyagala ojja kifuna at the right time.
Are you a single mother?
No, I am not. I am not. I am a mother. I have a very beautiful son. He's 6 years old, and the father. Twetegera bulungi nnyo.
Okay.
Omwana waffe.
Nga tumayiza tuwe ku shosozo abantu bakugoberere mpozi ne bw'oba olinayo booking contact abantu osobola ogibawo.
Okay, all my social medias, I'm Haffy Powers on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and Snapchat and all that. There's so many inbox messages. But when you really want someone, I'm not going to give out my number, but I work with Dr. Kwefrukta, he's my producer, his number is Ebya. I work with Seymour. When you're serious and you want business, you can't fail to get me, like for real.
TikTok okwoli?
Yeah, Kwendi as Haffy Powers.
Ola live?
No, I've never done a live.
Otekayo ki?
Eh? Nekwatamu video nembutekayo but sikola ngako live. Yeah, I do some challenges. I don't know if I've done one. Just njaga amawulire amanyi batugamba abamawulire batusasula bubi. Just njogera ne bannamawulire bannange abaana bagenda oyingira amawulire buli mulimu gusasula bubi. It depends. Okuleka jaba top notch abakola mu government. Naye ffenna abakola mirimu abasawo bacomplaininga, abasomesa bacomplaininga, buli omu acomplaininga. Omulimu gukwate bulungi. It's what you have. Money. We're going to come back the next day. Never come back. Don't come back. You're fired. Rojo manya. Omulimu gotino gwali gwa buvunanyizibwa. Gukwate ngechatika. Use it as an opportunity. Fabino, betukola like MCing. Our bosses don't pay for that. That is our extra money. Tuina gigs zetukola nezikusasula sente z'omwezi in a night. So kozesa platform yo ojjemu kyoyagala. That is the whole essence okubeera munnamawulire. Naye nti amawulire okusasula, of course tewali nnyo kyamaanyi. Ebisigadde all you have is the platform. Okay.